Two renowned partners, each a top-level specialist with experience in large international projects. Alpine Bau and Rhomberg Rail, a joint venture that was awarded the contract by the Austrian Railway Corporation. A collaboration that guarantees success. Rhomberg Rail are experts in railway and track construction. Based on worldwide know-how gained in different construction fields, supported by in-house developed technology, Rhomberg Rail is a sought-after specialist. Alpine Bau is one of the leading construction groups in Europe. They are known for their professional services and are dynamic, flexible and innovative. Owing to their global experience, Alpine Bau is your first choice partner, irrespective of the type or size of project. Rhomberg Rail and Alpine Bau. Natural competence focusing on the ALPTRANSIT BRENNER project. The new Lower Inn Valley Railway. Challenge and passion of approximately 250 construction and office staff working on the ALPTRANSIT BRENNER project. They contribute towards the largest contract awarded in Austrian railway history, with a total value of 260 million euros. The Brenner Tunnel North Access section lies between Kundl and Baumkirchen. It forms part of the Trans-European Network Line 1. This high-speed railway line runs all the way from Berlin across Europe to Palermo. "41 kilometers of this new line run along the Lower Inn Valley, of which 34 kilometers are either double-line tunnels, U-boxes or underground routes. This new line reduces traffic running on the existing rail network. The Lower Inn Valley construction contributes towards efficiency and protecting the environment. The new line can transport both passengers and goods at a speed of 250 kilometers per hour, and thus reduces the travel time between Munich and Innsbruck by almost 1 hour. It is expected that the project be realized by December 2012, so that the regular train service can start. The pressure to deliver this project on time is enormous, since no time extensions whatsoever are possible. Everyone is aware of that. The Austrian Railway Corporation made it clear that these strict deadlines remain throughout the entire ALPTRANSIT BRENNER project. Safety, sustainability and cost efficiency remain our top priority. The railway line must withstand heavy loads and be easily maintainable. These conditions define a large and complex project. During the construction period, various access points are required and completed construction sections are delivered at different stages to the customer. In addition, various installations have to be coordinated, planned and performed according to strict specifications, such as the mass spring system, ventilation, fire extinguishing water, telecommunication, sidewalks, cables, electricity supply and slab track. Safety carries the ultimate priority from the beginning till the end of the project. The comprehensive experience from Rhomberg Rail and Alpine Bau ensures that these challenges are completely mastered. There are 13 different trades involved in this gigantic project. Each trade requires accurate and detailed design and execution. An example, the track system, a unique combination of different mass spring designs. A total of 66 kilometers of slab track is constructed which consists of laying track support plates in the tunnels and then joining them with concrete. This is where a large part of the project's 300,000 cubic meters of concrete ends up. The mass spring systems are a core component of the line. Mass spring troughs are constructed across 27 kilometers of the line, some of which are supported by a total of 6,000 bearing points. The remaining part rests on resilient mats. This construction combination of slab track and the mass spring system was specified by the client. On completion, a total of approximately 1,130 kilometers of cable will be installed in the tunnels, of which the majority will run in parallel to the track underneath the sidewalks. Such a large and complex project as the new line between Kundl and Baumkirchen not only requires enormous quantities of building materials, but also quality equipment and proper construction facilities. The entire line must be adequately supplied with electricity. This is ensured by generators and distributors placed 125 meters apart. More than 3,000 fluorescent tubes ensure optimal luminosity. More than half of these are powered by independent electricity sources. The climate within the tunnel tubes is closely monitored by air test stations, of which 18 are permanently installed and the rest are mobile units. All these data are compiled and sent to the control room. From this central point, the entire construction site is monitored, thus ensuring the safety of the entire operation. Access, location, communication and alarms. These are the elements of the ZORCA system, a central monitoring and communication system which is used for the first time in a project of this size by Rhomberg Rail and Alpine Bau. Identification badges for people and equipment, such as vehicles and machines, authorize and monitor access and movement. Additional video monitoring is also used as an increased security measure. Control room staff are able to exactly locate people and machines in the different tunnel zones anytime, day or night. Communication is of utmost importance in projects of this size. On-time completion is only possible with the help of a reliable, permanent connection to the outside and quick information exchange. For this purpose, Rhomberg Rail and Alpine Bau use specially designed communication and distribution cabinets. They are interconnected with other areas of the construction site via optic fiber conductors. This enables frequent communication, even with staff working on site. With the help of these innovative distribution cabinets and sophisticated optic fiber technology, communication is possible within the entire tunnel reach. This ensures clear and direct communication. Could you tell me what type of data connections you install in the tunnel? Yes, of course, fiber optics. Would you like to see it? Yes, please. Just a moment, I will ask staff on site. Hello, Mr. Kalb. Hello there. Can you show us the optic fiber cables for data communication? Sure, here it is. Can you see it clearly? Yes, thanks, we can see it. Digital and analog radio networks cover almost the entire construction site. Their aerials transmit and receive conversations, data and information about the exact location of people, vehicles and machines within the tunnels. The locating and communication system, ZORCA, can be used to activate alarm signals for the respective tunnel sections. Likewise, it is possible to monitor an emergency evacuation if required. Sustainability is an essential part of both Rhomberg Rail and Alpine Bau's philosophy. Constructing something new without destroying the environment is part of our construction culture. It is evident in especially the Lower Inn Valley with its rich economy, ecology and social aspects. This is why only sophisticated and modern techniques are applied during construction. The mass spring system is a unique design that protects the environment from noise and vibration pollution. It uses a combination of concrete elements and spring-resilient elastic bearings that absorbs most of the vibration caused by moving trains. Europe's longest section containing this mass spring system is constructed between Kundl and Baumkirchen. It succeeds in almost completely eliminating any railway-related stress posed to people or the environment. The long-term cost efficiency of the line is an important aspect for the customer, the Austrian Railway Corporation, who owns and will operate the line. Their objective is to maintain the maximum possible train speed and load. Rhomberg Rail and Alpine Bau make this possible. The operating costs associated with slab track are lower than for conventional ballast tracks. It also requires less maintenance and provides the benefit of having an extended track life cycle. Ensures quieter running of trains and thus a reduced wear on the trains. There isn't really a better or more efficient way of constructing a railway line. Ventilation systems. This is part of the sophisticated safety concept implemented when operations start in December 2012. Other elements include sluice gates and fire extinguishing water supplies. Alpine Bau and Rhomberg Rail ensure that, in an emergency, lives can be saved. There are 35 escape exits in the tunnel through the shaft head buildings. These access points also make it possible for emergency crews to quickly and effectively reach areas under the ground. Rescue tunnels and various access points are part and parcel of the safety concept. The final provision is landing areas for emergency helicopter rescue operations. The new Lower Inn Valley Railway line, forming a significant section of the European rail network, a demanding project full of interesting challenges. Undertaken by ALPTRANSIT BRENNER, with futuristic vision, innovative planning, combined technical know-how and accurate on-time delivery to the customer's satisfaction. Both partners constructing together this ultra-modern line, drastically reducing noise and vibration levels, ensuring shorter travel time between Berlin and Palermo. A reality, safe, sustainable and cost-effective. ALPTRANSIT BRENNER, a joint venture by Rhomberg Rail and Alpine Bau.